subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
List comprehension. What is that?
List comprehension.
List comprehension. Okay, list comprehension. So why is list comprehension? Why we need to learn about list comprehension is the first question. Okay. So we are going to see actually the difference between the list comprehension and for loop. Okay. List comprehension versus for loop. How the for loop is acting actually? A is equal to, now if you see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If I want to print a value, what I will do for I in A colon print I, we will do, right? This is the way normally the for loop will go. Okay.
Okay.
How many lines you are writing now? How many lines you are writing now? You are writing
2.
So you are writing 2 lines, right? 2 lines. Tomorrow, if I want to find out, okay, list comprehension, okay, list comprehension will be like this. So now A is equal to, okay, list comprehension will start in brackets, okay. A for A in sorry, I for I in A, okay. I for I in A. We are writing what? So we'll say A1. Okay, and print A1. Yeah, if I write this, so now you see what is happening. We have printed. Okay, we have printed A like this, correct? So we rather than A, we can take any text also, human. So now what is happening, for every value in this one, we are returning a in one liner. So if you observe here, a new list is assigned to the variable. A new list is assigned to a variable A1. Okay. The list contains the item of iterable string. So a string is a iterable one, or a, what do you say? List is a iterable one, right? Or a list is a iterable one. So now if you observe, both are same only. Both functionality are same only. This we are writing in one liner. Okay. It in further examples once you see. Okay.
So the above one is for loop and the below one is list comprehension.
Comprehension. So now in list comprehension, this is an expression. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now this is a list comprehension. What is the list comprehension? This is a expression. This is a, what is a item? Okay. Which one is expression? This is an expression.
Expression.
Which one? This first I. This first I is a expression. This one.
Expression.
First one is a expression. one is a item. Okay. Next one is a iterable. Iterable means it can be a string, it can be a set, it can be a dictionary, anything. So which you can iterate.
Okay. Iterable.
Which you can iterate.
Great.
Clear? Which you can iterate. So now what more I can do in comprehensions. Now I want to write a conditional comprehensions. Okay, what is this? This is a normal comprehension. This is a normal comprehension. Okay, this is the normal comprehension. We need conditional comprehensions. Okay, we are going to see conditional comprehensions. A2 is equal to, okay,
I expression.
okay, expression is for x in x. Okay, for
Okay.
x a if, okay, if x percentage 2 double equal to 0 means if the value is divisible by, if the value is divisible by 2 only, give me as a list.
Okay. A2.
From a list of values, find out all the values which are divisible by
divided by 2.
Divisible by 2. List comprehension. Okay, list comprehension. So now what it is happening in A2, what you are getting, all are divisible by 2, right? All are divisible by 2. What we will do, we will say 23, 43, 57, anything anything is possible. So what you will expect now? 10, 30.
10, 30, 60 makes sense.
So are you clear now? What is the specialty of list comprehension? In list comprehension, why, if it is a simple for loop and list comprehension comparison, it is both same. Whereas list comprehension has an additional capacity, like we can add conditions.
Okay. So in for loop, we cannot give condition.
In for loop, inside a for loop, you need to give condition and you need to write what you say. Inside a for loop, you need to write one more line, right? So
it
now
will increase the number of lines.
it will increase the more lines. It will increase more lines, right?
Yes, sir.
So now we will do one more example. We'll do one more example with the nested if. This is a conditional comprehension. This is a conditional comprehension. Okay. A3 is equal to okay. Now we need to find out multiple conditionals. Okay. So we will find y for y. Okay. We will take range. You have completed range, right? So range of 100, in a range of 100, I need to find out whose values are divisible by 5, double equal to 0. Okay. And whose values are divisible by 3, double equal to 0. So this I need to keep in A3. Okay. So
yes, sir.
print A3.
So here we don't need to write and condition, like between if.
We don't need to write and condition.
Achha.
Okay. Here we don't need to write and condition.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So now
expression.
Now we can write if else condition. Now what we have done, this is a multiple nested if condition. We have done nested if condition. Nested
if condition.
If comprehension, conditional comprehension. Okay, nested if conditional comprehension. What we are going to do is next one.
Sir, what is nested?
Nested means one inside another. Okay, one inside another. So if के अंदर if होता है.
अच्छा अच्छा
If के
समझी.
अंदर if. ठीक है. Now if else condition. If else with the list comprehension.
Okay.
Right? If else with the list comprehension. So how
So
will I
if
do? How will I do is the question now. We need to see. Okay. So we have A4.
if is equals to
A4
expression.
expression.
Right.
Okay, expression we need to write. We need to we'll say even. Okay. If what do you say Z? Okay. Z percentage 2. Z percentage 2 is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. Else, okay, what will say odd. Okay, for I in range of 10, we say for I in range of 10. So why the issue is what is happening here? Undefined name Z. Okay, Z can't be defined. Okay, what is this? Okay, it should be, it is an expression, right? So now for it is the I only. Now it went. So R, we should change this to Z and this also to Z.
Okay.
So now that is perfect. Okay. So whatever is there in item, that should be there in expression.
Expression. Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we'll print A4. So what will be the answer? So we'll see even odd, even odd, even odd, even odd, even odd, even odd. Like, right? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
That's the way it will come. Right? Are you clear now?
Yes, sir. So these are the list comprehension.
This is the list comprehension.
Which
now,
is better than for loop.
Which is better than for loop, and you'll write in one line. But if you know Python only, you can understand. If you don't know Python, it is very difficult to understand. Right? So now we need to remember some points here. Okay? Points to think. Okay? What are those? List comprehension. Okay? Is an elegant, like intelligent way. Is a intelligent way. Okay? To define and create. What do you define? Define and create list. Define and create a list. Right? We are creating a list. Create a list based on existing list. Correct? We have done that only, right? From existing list, we are creating new list. It is a new intelligent way. Okay. Yeah. So now these are more compact, and list comprehensions are more compact and faster than normal functions. Functions. Yeah, the normal functions and loops for creating list. Right?
Yes, sir.
You are creating a list, you need to write in for loop at least 3 or 4 lines. Yeah, 1 line. Okay. So we should not write, and you should remember, should not write long code for list comprehensions.
For example, sir, long code means?
You should not keep on writing, right? You will not understand. So it should be short and sweet, and it should be quick, right?
Okay.
So we should remember all list comprehensions. Okay, all list comprehensions can be written in for loop, right?
Yes, sir.
Can be written in for loop. Can be written in for loop. But for every reverse, okay, but for for all for loop, okay, but all for loop can't be written in form of list comprehensions.
Means I didn't understand.
See, if there will be complex logic, we will be writing, okay, which will be there in for loop, okay. All those we can't write in what do you say? List comprehensions.
Okay.
Whereas all list comprehensions we can write in
Loop.
that's what.
Mm.
Clear?
Yes.
That is the reason.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. So now my point is you need to remember this list comprehensions clearly so that it will help you a lot.
Yes. So